Get this depth effect clock on your Samsung device. Just follow me and watch till the end. Hey friends, so let's begin. First of all, install Good Lock or Find Lock app from Galaxy Store or Play Store on your device. Open it and install Lockstar module. This will unlock full potential of your lock screen customization. Now open up your gallery and choose your favorite Depth Effect wallpaper. Hold that image for 3 seconds and click on 3 dots menu, then save it as separate image. Set the wallpaper on your lock screen. After that, go to your lock screen. Now press and hold on the screen, then enter your password to edit lock screen. You'll see Lockstar option here. Now tap on it and click on App Widget. Choose Gallery App Widget and add it to your lock screen. Now tap on it and choose the image that you've held for 3 seconds. Save it. Adjust the image on the wallpaper perfectly for best results. After adjustment, adjust the clock behind the image so that depth effect clock could work. When you're satisfied, then tap on Done and enjoy your new depth effect lock screen. Remember to download the latest Lockstar module APK on your Galaxy device so that it could work properly, and this tutorial works on Galaxy devices which are above One UI 6. Thanks for watching till end, and subscribe if you want more such content.